Kelly Boss reporting for KTN.
Now, at least 74 Kenyans are stranded in the Kingdom of Cambodia after being duped into working as swindlers. According to Busia Senator and human rights defender Omtatah, the unsuspecting Kenyans were hired for their English-speaking skills to work as online scammers in a country where majority cannot speak English. As Winfrey Owino reports, Omtatah's plans to sue the government for failing to protect its citizens are underway.
As families whose loved ones were duped into joining the Russian military continue looking for answers on the whereabouts of their kin, it has now emerged that there are at least 74 Kenyans stranded in Cambodia after being promised to work abroad only to land in camps where they were forced to work as online swindlers and scammers using their English literacy.
So you ask yourself, how porous can a country be that their people are just being taken out and they go?
While revealing that plans to file a lawsuit against the state for failing to protect its citizens from national security threats, Omtatah has called out senior state officers, including the Labour Cabinet Secretary Dr. Alfred Mutua, whom he says has failed to address the issue of Kenyans being duped to join the Russian military, despite publicly advocating for Kenyans to travel to Russia for greener pastures.
So I plead with the government to prioritize this issue and to see that they execute their duty of care. Failure to which I think we are also considering a class action suit. So even before Mr. Omtatah travels to Russia, the ambassador of Russia should have been summoned to tell us what is happening in his country.
As of March 10th, 67 families had shared the details of their loved ones who traveled to Russia with the State Department of Diaspora Affairs, seeking answers on their whereabouts.
Since this matter came up, we feel that the Minister for Foreign Affairs should have taken it up very quickly.
In late February, National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah read a report by security agencies with details of the people and agencies involved in the recruitment, and a suspect is currently before the Kahawa Law Courts on human trafficking charges. However, questions arise on the legitimacy of the report, which has not been made public despite being presented to Parliament. Winfrey Owino, KTN.
Now, the environment